Phillip Securities raises price target for Micron Technology. Micron Technology Inc., NASDAQ, is one of the top 10 AI stocks that will skyrocket. On June 29th, Phillip Securities substantially increased its target price for the stock from $530 to $1,870, which now yields more than 62% upside. The firm reiterated its buy rating following the company's earnings release. Pixabay/public domain. For the coming quarters, Phillip Securities said that the company could potentially enter into more agreements with its existing customer base, along with some new additions. It also shared its views on memory shortages across the broader industry, which it expects to persist beyond 2027. Back on June 22nd, Micron Technology Inc., NASDAQ MU, entered into a strategic collaboration with Anthropic that covers AI memory and storage architecture design, company-wide adoption of Claude across Micron, and participation in Anthropic's Series H funding. Central to this are collaborative efforts in memory and storage technologies to enhance the development and scaling of AI systems. Both companies will assess how the storage and memory subsystems perform across different workloads. This effort is expected to advance progress in memory and storage performance, power efficiency, and improved token economics in the AI infrastructure of Anthropic. Micron Technology Inc., NASDAQ, is engaged in developing storage and memory solutions. It offers products such as high-bandwidth memory, graphics memory, and more. The company also provides various types of multi-chip packages, such as flash storage-based and multimedia card-based multi-chip packages. While we acknowledge the potential of MU as an investment, we believe certain AI stocks offer greater upside potential and carry less downside risk. If you're looking for an extremely undervalued AI stock that also stands to benefit significantly from Trump-era tariffs and the onshoring trend, follow for more stock market updates.